Good evening, everyone. You're watching CIMAGE online classes, and I'm Sanjana. Today, we are talking about adjectives, a particular type of adjective, the participial adjective, the past participle and the present participle, which comes from the root verbs, the root verb and the participle and the present participle. So let us talk about the first word, which is amaze. The root verb is amaze. Amaze means you're surprised, you're highly surprised, and you are happy also. You did not expect something and it turned out to be really good. So the girl, the amazed girl. Amazed is an adjective and you have to put a noun. So here is a girl and she's saying, feeling wow. The experience that she is having right now is amazing. The amazed girl and the amazing experience. How are you feeling? Amazed? Okay. The girl is feeling amazed. And how is the experience? How the experience is? The experience is amazing. The next word is annoy. Now you see in the picture, the man over here is pretty annoyed. He's not happy. Annoy is the verb, and annoyed, the verb 3. The annoyed man. And the entire experience is annoying. Next we have confuse. The confused children. And the experience is totally confusing. The fourth word is depress. When you're not happy, you are depressed, you're sad. The experience can be, you can be depressed because of something which didn't turn out too good. For example, your marks, your presentation, whatever. So you're not happy about something, so you are depressed, and the experience will be depressing, the depressing report card. So you see here the boy is depressed. He's not happy. And then the experience, he is experiencing a terribly depressing experience. The next word is excite. The child is very excited, pretty excited. Maybe they are going out for a picnic or something. Try to build sentences and stories looking at a picture, like in thematic appreciation. So the child, the excited child, and the exciting experience which he is having. The next word is frightened. The verb third is frightened, the frightened child. And the frightening experience, the movie was frightening. Then there's the word relax. The woman is relaxed and the experience is relaxing for her. The relaxing experience. Number 8, we have shock. The girl is shocked. Something which she has seen or heard is shocking. So she is experiencing a shocking experience. The next is surprise. The girl is surprised. Maybe she was not waiting for a friend, but then she dropped in. And then she's happy. She's surprised. Oh, that's good. Good that you came. Oh, I can't believe it. And the experience is surprising. The next word is tired. The boy, the tired boy. The tired school boy. School, coaching, cricket, classes. And by the time he comes home, he has a tiring experience. The next word is comfort. A very beautiful word, comfort. The child is being comforted by the mother. She's feeling good. And the experience is comforting. The comforting experience and the comforted child. The next word is disturb. The disturbed woman. Now, these two friends are talking. Something which has disturbed her, something she said, which might have disturbed her. And the experience is the disturbing conversation. 13 is entertain. The woman is entertained. She's maybe listening to music, or speaking to a friend, or watching a concert, or some laughter show. So she is the entertained woman. And the experience for her is a very entertaining experience. 14 is encourage. Somebody may be encouraged, and the experience may be encouraging. You see here, the little girl is being encouraged, maybe by the teacher or the mother or just anybody. So we all need to be encouraged. The encouraged child, and the experience is encouraging. 15, interest. The interested woman, she may be interested in something, maybe out for a movie or just an outing or meeting friends or get together. She's interested, and it means pretty interesting. The experience is interesting, and the woman is the interested woman, right? And the interesting experience of watching a film or just simply being with friends around. And last year, but not the least, is embarrass. Embarrass means in Hindi, you are embarrassed जब आप शर्मिंदा होते हैं, जब आप झेप जाते हैं, when you are embarrassed. For example, if you come into a meeting late and the meeting already has started, you feel embarrassed. Or when you come late to a class and you want to come inside, but then you are embarrassed because you have come late. So the embarrassed schoolboy did not enter the class because of the embarrassing experience he had. What you have to do is look at the picture and create some sentences, create stories like thematic appreciation. You can start with the last, embarrassed. Like, every day he was asked to come on time. But then, no matter how hard he tried, he could never come on time. And this made him worried. He was embarrassed. And the entire experience was pretty embarrassing, very embarrassing. Similarly, look at the pictures and create stories. This is how you are going to improve your creative writing. So today we talked about participial adjective, the verb third, the lost pen, the embarrassed girl, the embarrassed child, the interested woman, the encouraged student, the entertained woman, the disturbed friend, the comforted child, the tired child, the surprised girl, the shocked woman, the relaxed girl, the frightened child, the excited child, the depressed man, the confused children, the annoyed man, and the amazed woman. That's all for now. Take care, do your homework, and stay happy when you're learning. Learning is at its best when you are happy. Don't take it as a burden. Enjoy. What you enjoy, you're going to like. Set your mind straight into your studies. And yes, there is no shortcut to education. Be smart, be bright, and keep watching. That's all for today. Thank you. And take care.